Hello and welcome to Shepa online classes. Standard A. Today we'll be studying totally grammar only. Okay. So grammar, the topic of your grammar is degree of comparison. So don't make that face. Be happy. Try to like grammar. Okay. You must really, if you like one subject only, you can learn. Okay. You don't have to say, oh God, I have to study grammar. No, don't make that face. Be happy. I want to study grammar. I want to excel in this field also. Not just studying about prose and poetry, but also this is also very important. Without this, you cannot write one sentence properly, right? You cannot write one letter also properly. You can't write one or paragraph or essay. Any competition you go, you need to know this. Definitely, you need to know this. And degree of comparison, I have already taken a few classes before. Initially, I have been taken, but today I will be taking in detail. And they have given you one book, that is extra book, grammar book they have given you, no? 8th standard. This book also has got so many. Now I will be taking accordingly this book also. See, there are so many things. Degree of comparison in this also is very much given in detail. So if you study it properly in detail, if you study, it's easy for you to understand, right? Okay, let me start. Now degree of comparison itself, you can understand, it is comparing with other things or objects or things or places. Okay. Now persons or things, right? It is a comparison, direct comparison with things. Okay. Now it comes in 3 degrees. What are the 3 degrees? One is positive, comparative, superlative. Okay, positive degree. First I'll tell you about the clues. What are the clues pertaining to these degrees? So in positive degree, how will you find out whether this sentence is a positive or comparative or superlative? For that, these are the clues. Keep these clues in your mind. Okay, don't ever forget it. As the video class is going on, you should have a note in front of you, English book in front of you, English classwork with you. Note down each and every details. Okay, so because this explanation you will not be though you read it in the book, you will not be able to understand. So it's better write down each and every point, right? Okay, now these are the 3. Put 3 columns like this and write it down. And first one is the clues. I'll tell you. So this is a positive. How will you find out? Means see this, as, so as, and this in middle what will be having is we don't study about nouns, not about verbs. It is all about adjectives. We will be studying about a degree of comparison is totally for adjectives. Adverbs also are there, but mainly we study with we'll compare degree of comparison used with adjectives only. Okay. So see the positive degree. Say for example, I'll give you one clue. Fat. Okay. As fat as, so fat as. Okay. These are these two words come here. The word the adjective comes in middle. These are the clues for the positive. And next we come to comparative. Comparatives, what is a new, that is a clue is than. If this is for 1 syllable, 2 syllable we use. More than 3 syllable, multi-syllable we use more than. This word more, that is say any word over here, more expensive than. Okay, more expensive than, more beautiful than. Okay, the next one is superlative. Superlative is the last degree, that is say the best, the fattest, as fat as, fatter than, the fattest. This it compares with others. Okay, understood now? So the fattest, that is the last degree, and after that there is no other degree. That's it. Then another one word is used. This is for 1 syllable, 2 syllable. Multi-syllable what we use is we use the most. One new word is used here. Okay, what is it? The most beautiful. See, beautiful, multi-syllable, no? So 1 syllable, 2 syllable, we use directly, we change the word. In multi-syllable, we use this words as a helping word. Okay. Now the picture given on the screen, you just see this, that how the degree of comparison is used. Okay. Now see, tall is the word, tall is the adjective given here, and see how I use it. As tall as. Now see, this is the tiger is as tall as this is. Now next is we are comparing it with the elephant. See, the elephant is taller than the tiger. See the taller than. So taller than. That word clue you see there, taller than. Okay. The elephant is taller than the tiger. Tiger is small. More than that is elephant. And next we come here, the tallest, superlative degree. Positive degree, comparative degree, and we come to superlative degree. See the giraffe is one of the tallest animals. So giraffe is taller than any other animal. You can taller than one. I am telling the tallest, superlative degree. The giraffe is one of the tallest animals. So the tallest animal. See, as tall as, taller than, then the tallest. Now got the degree now? This hope you understand this picture. Okay, now I'll tell you the different forms. There are 6 different forms of how to change the word. Okay, how to change from positive to comparative, comparative to superlative. There are 6 different varieties. Okay, what is it? I'll tell you now. First one is positive degree. Some words will take up only, see, this is the word. Say for example, large. Large is the word. As, large as. Okay, or you can also say so large as. Okay, large as. Now we are coming to comparative. Comparative is you are comparing 2 things. Now what is this? The comparing, how will you compare? See, large E word. That E word will have another one word is R. That's all. See, larger. The spelling, is the spelling large, you just add a R. So this is the R you are adding, that's it. Larger and then, okay, the comparative degree I told you. See, large, you just have to add ER. Large, see E, you add R, larger than, and here superlative degree you add ST, largest. See that E you take out and add EST, the largest. Okay, the largest, that's it. These are the clues. I told you know these are the clues. So as, than, the. So as large as, larger than, the largest. Got it now? How to write? Now next part is, this is the first category. Second category, you have to repeat the word. See like how, see the. Now next is fat. As, fat as. Now this word will be repeated twice. So spelling, you just see the spelling. Fatter, T-T-E-R. T-T-E-R. So these words you are adding. T-E-R you are adding. Okay. So next is fatter than. This is the clue word. Now what is the, how will you write the superlative? The fattest. See the words E-S-T. Fattest. So the word E-R-T-E-R, here T-E-S-T. So these are the differences. Second category. So this, that is the spelling will change, nothing else. Okay. The next one is Y. That is any word which has a Y ending. For example, L-U-C-K-Y. So ending, Y ending words, how will you change? See them. Now here it will change. Comparative, L-U-C-K, remove the Y, I-E-R. So got it now? You remove the Y, I-E-R, luckier than. Then see, this is luckier than, that's a comparative degree. Now come to superlative, the luckiest. Got it now? I-E-R-E-S-T. E-S-T, luckiest. That's all. This is the 3 categories. One is just adding E, you are adding R, E-S-T. Then here this is you are adding, that is double time. You have double the word. Double the word, E-R, E-S-T. Then lucky, take off the Y, I-E-R, I-E-S-T. Sorry, I-E-S-T. Got it? Luckiest. Okay, this is it. The next is, okay, now so far we have seen, this is actually one monosyllabic or disyllable. That means what? Mono means 1 syllable, di means di, bi, or that is 2 syllable. So in that only we have this kind of these categories. How you are going to write positive, comparative or superlative. But there is another one category, multisyllabic. Multisyllable means that one word you are going to split into 3. See for example, intelligent. How many, that is already we learned in the previous class, how to divide a word. See that is intelligent, intelligent. So 4 things you are going to split up. Okay, divide the word into 4 like that. Those kind of words only, they need a support. You are just adding than or the is not enough. You need another support. What is it? You are going to use more, most. Okay, see the example here. As intelligent. As. And now for the comparatively, what I am going to use is new word, more. More intelligent. See this word, more intelligent than. This word you should not leave out. This should continue wherever there is comparative. This clue word should continue. Okay, this only will change. This or the spellings will change. Otherwise, this should not be changed at all. That should continue forever for comparative. For positive, this as, so as should be there. That is, those words are very important to write. Okay, otherwise you will not get marks. Only writing this word, without this word you will not get to be wrong only. Okay, next come to last part, that is the superlative, and using what's the new word I am going to use is the most intelligent. Got it? See the most, more than. See, this word I will not leave out. This along with that word only you must use this most. Okay, only for multi-syllable you will use more and most, not for these words. Monosyllable and disyllable you will not be using more and most. Okay, only for multi-syllable you will be using these words. Okay, got this now? So these are the three categories and how you are going to use the words, how to change the words into each degree, from positive to comparative, comparative to superlative. Okay, now the last part we are coming to irregular adjectives. Some words now, how we use fat, fatter, fattest, short, shorter, shortest, more intelligent, more beautiful, most beautiful, we learned about. Now these are the words commonly used. Now some words are irregular, you won't know. Now if you know this also, then how to change it, the total word will change. Okay, now from comparative to, so from positive to comparative to superlative, everything, all the three words will be different. So what are the three words? These are known as irregular adjectives. Now see, what is it? Good. As good as. This should not be left out. Okay, as good as. Next is better than. Okay, see the word, total change from good. The next is for the comparative, what are you using? Better. So total change. And now last, see, that also will be different. The best. Got it? See that? See the new word, as good as, good, better, best. As good as, better than, the best. See, these are known as irregular adjectives. See how three words, totally different words. Okay. Now next one I'll show you. Little, as little as, and then less than. Okay, lesser than, as, don't leave out that. Then the least. Got it now? See the least. So these are the different words. I'll give you for the for the work, I'll be giving you all the words. Then you learn it up, and then for the test we'll write it. Okay, so I'll be then there is this grammar book. There's a lot of exercise given, that is page number 42. Lot of exercises are given, try to do it. Now whatever I've given you, I explained to you, go see the video 2-3 times, understand it, and then try to finish off all the exercises. Then you correct it yourself. Okay, then you will know. Self learning is the best learning. Alright, and then okay, hope you understood this grammar part. Thank you.